Dear student, today we will start with the Unit 1 of LRPS. The Unit 1 consists of 4 sections: analogy, classification, coding and decoding, and blood relation. So let us start with analogy. So what is analogy? Analogy means correspondence. In question based on analogy, a particular relationship is given and another similar relationship has to be identified from the alternative provided. Okay, so analogy tests are therefore meant to test a candidate's overall knowledge, power of reasoning, and ability to think concisely and accurately. So there are some of the examples given below. There are certain relationship between these pairs. Okay, so we will see this one by one. First is instrument and measurement. So as we know, barometer is an instrument used to measure the pressure. Likewise, thermometer is used to measure the temperature. Anemometer is used for wind vane. Odometer is used for the speed. Scale is used for measuring the length. Balance is used for mass. Sphygmomanometer is used for blood pressure. Rain gauge is used for measuring the rain. Hygrometer is used for humidity. Ammeter is used for current. Screen gauge is used for the thickness. Seismograph is used for the earthquakes, and tensometer is used for the strength. So this is the relationship between as an instrument and measurement. Next is quantity and unit. So as we know, length is measured in meter, so meter is the unit of length. Same, kilogram is the unit of mass. Newton is the unit of force. Energy, joule. Resistance, ohm. Volume, liter. Angle, radians. Power, watt. Potential, volt. Work, joule. Time, seconds. Current, ampere. Luminosity, candela. Pressure, Pascal. Area, hectare. Temperature in degrees. Conductivity in mho. Magnetic field in oersted. Okay. Next relationship is individual and groups. Okay. So as sailors and crew means a group of sailors is called as the crew. Likewise, this group of cattle are called as the herd. Group of flowers are called as the bouquet. Group of grapes are called as the bunch. Group of singer is called as the chorus. Group of sheep is called as the flock. Group of riders is called as the cavalcade. Group of bees is called as the swarm. Group of man is called as the crowd. Then group of artists is called as the troupe. Group of fish is called as the shoal. Group of soldiers is called as the army. Group of nomads are called as the horde. Okay, so this is the individual and group. Next is animal and young ones. Okay, like the calf is the young one of cow. Likewise, pony is the young one of horse. Kitten is the young one of cat. Lamb is the young one of sheep. Caterpillar is the young one of butterfly. Larva is the young one of insect. Puppy is the young one of dog. Chicken is the young one of hen. Cub is the young one of lion. Duckling is the young one of duck, and child is the young one of man. Next is male and female. Okay. So horse, mare. So mare is the female horse. Like dog, bitch, stag, doe, son, daughter, lion, lioness, sorcerer, sorceress, drone, bee, gentleman, lady, nephew, niece, tiger, tigress. Okay. Then sixth relationship is individual and class. Okay, means the lizard belongs to the class of reptile. Okay, so similarly, man belongs to mammal, ostrich, bird, snake, reptile, butterfly, insect, whale, mammal, rat, rodent. Okay, so this is some of the relationship We will see the next type of relationship in the next session. Thank you.